Hi girls, going in. Yeah, so strange old rules at these allotments sometimes, I think. So we're not allowed to use a hose pipe to water our plants, but you are allowed to fill up your butts, which obviously we've got a number dispersed around, but it takes about half an hour. So I don't know how long it would take if I just wandered around with the hose pipe itself, but there we go. Yep. Well, I've still got some full ones, so I should just top up while no one else is needing to use it. There's my ladies. Girls, should we go to the middle drawer? Can I think? Anyway, I'm not a doctor, and I'm not a gardener, and my name is not Herb.